These are the magnets that I'm using. They are advertised as 1.26-inch diameter and 1/8 of an inch thick. Measured, they are really only 29.4 or 29.5 millimeters in diameter and 2.7 millimeters thick. So just one magnet is needed. I clean them with 91% isopropyl alcohol, like that. When the print is paused right at the correct height, when the pocket is finished, but the print hasn't started the bridging over it, the hot end will actually turn off, but the heated bed will remain warm or heated the entire time. So then I insert the magnet in here and push it in as deep as I can. It's nicely degreased. Then I take Elmer school glue. You can probably use some 3D printing specific glue. Put one little drop on my finger and I just smear it over the metal surface. I try not to get onto my 3D printed part. And now I just let it dry. So I let the magnet sit there while the bed is heating it until the glue stops being white. It actually will eventually turn gray. And that layer of glue will help the TPU stick to the surface of the metal when it does the bridging over the magnet. You can see it's slowly not white anymore, only there on the edge, but I'm not going to touch it. I'll just wait a little bit, let the magnet heat up. And then once I don't see any white glue anymore, I go on my little, let me show you, my little clipper screen here. And I just see it's still 35 degrees. The hot end has completely cooled down. Once the glue is not white anymore, I just click resume. And then it starts heating again to 210 degrees. This is just very generic TPU that I have by Duramic, and it's 95A. And once it's heated up again, that's going to happen here in a second, it will just start printing again. You could also go and make sure you don't have any leftover TPU hanging out of your nozzle. I'll just use a little brass brush for that usually. So instead of having a wipe tower on your print bed, you can just clean off residue manually. So we're almost there. And print continues. I'll just let it run until it does the bridging. I mean, I let the video run for you guys. You don't need to watch the rest of the print. And the glue helps that the TPU has something to stick to. I made 4 of those bumpers. I put them on, in 4 spots behind the fridge. So when the kids slam the door, it doesn't lean against the drywall only in 1 spot or 2 spots, but rather distributes the load and the impact to 3 or 4 spots. That looks pretty good. TPU I usually print pretty slow, just to really get a nice quality out of it with layer adhesion. No feeding issues either. The faster you go, the faster the extruder has to push this stuff through the hot end, and since it's flexible, that can cause issues. So with TPU prints, I always take my time. But yeah, as you can see, the bridging over the magnet is already completed, no issues, it didn't peel off or anything. And then I just let it finish. Alrighty guys, that's my little invention for your fridge. Good luck.